Hey guys, welcome to Island Gentry. If you're new to the channel, my name is Sean Manas, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fold your dress shirts properly. Now you really have two options when it comes to folding dress shirts. One I like to use when I'm traveling, it's a little bit slimmer, and the other one I like to use when maybe I'm packing away my shirts. Typically though, you're going to want to hang up all your dress shirts. I mean really the only time I fold my dress shirts is when I'm traveling. But I get it, maybe you have small closets or a limited closet space and you need to fold your shirts and put them away in a drawer. Either of these shirt fold options are going to be perfect whether you're traveling or whether you're looking to store shirts. Let's get into it. Okay, what you're going to want to do is make sure all the buttons have been buttoned up and then flip the shirt over onto the front. Lay the sleeves out nice and flat. I'll take one sleeve, fold that over. You've got maybe about 3 inches of fold. Now line the shirt sleeve up with the side of the shirt. Same thing on the other side. Make sure both sides of the folds are even. Same thing, line the sleeves up. Bring the bottom up to about halfway of the shirt and then fold the top nicely up. Okay, option number 2, same starting position, but instead you're going to fold where the sleeve ends. Now fold that sleeve up to the collar. Same thing on the other side. Fold it where the sleeve ends. Fold that up to the collar. Now take this side, fold that in to about mid collar. Same thing over here. And then fold the bottom up to about halfway again. And fold your shirt nice and flat. This gives you a slimmer fold. Alright guys, now you know how to fold your shirts properly. You got no more excuses. And you saw how fast it was. And when you start getting good at it, 30 seconds a shirt tops? That's it for me today guys. If you found the video useful, drop me a like. Till next time, take care of yourselves and your dress shirts.